my God, there are people on the ride. Mystic River has people. This is the first time I'm seeing it with the walls down. Holy cow! Okay, I am in line for Mystic River Falls, but this line is huge right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get on it in time, but man, you should see this. Okay, so I just got some interesting news that sometime this weekend, coming up on the 4th of July, that there might be a soft opening of Mystic River Falls. So I've gone ahead, I've reserved the date for Friday. There is a potential possibility, from what I'm hearing in the rumors and from sources, is that Mystic River Falls is going to be soft opening this weekend. So I'm supposed to know later on for sure if it's going to happen or not. There might even be some soft opening today. And so if that goes well, then I'm going to head down there tomorrow and get Mystic River Falls for the first time. Okay, so I actually just got a message saying that they didn't soft open Mystic River Falls today. So I've got a lot going on this weekend. I've got some videos I need to work on. So I think it's not looking good that they're going to soft open. So I think I'm going to not go this weekend in hopes that next weekend I can head out there. Could I be taking a risk? Could it really open up tomorrow or this weekend? I've debated it, but I think I'm just gonna, I've been going to theme parks so much this month, or June really, that I think I'm gonna take a break this weekend. I don't know, I might bite myself for not doing this. I don't know. All right, I just logged in to YouTube, typed in Mystic River Falls, and people were riding it this weekend. Darn it! Man, I should have went for it, but lesson learned. I really wanted to ride it, and look at this. By the way, TPF Travel Adventures is a great YouTube channel. They just posted a video 5 hours ago saying we rode Mystic River Falls. I almost want to watch it, but I don't want any spoilers, so I'm just gonna stay away from it. I'll watch it. I'll put it in the watch later. But I guess that means I'm gonna have to go this week, and hopefully it's officially open. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So I decided to drive all the way to Branson. I did it. I'm here. And the mission is to ride Mystic River Falls. Is it gonna be open? I have no clue. They're supposed to be testing it, but they've been testing it with riders from what I've seen on the video. So it's like a soft open. So I don't know if this is gonna continue. I don't know if they're gonna not even have the ride running. I have no clue what I'm getting myself into here. I do have a hotel for tonight, and I have the chance to come in tomorrow morning if I need to, if there's a chance that they might open it tomorrow morning instead of this afternoon. So I'm gonna rush in, get in there, try to get over to Mystic River Falls and see what's going on. Wish me luck. The park is I've never seen Silver Dollar City so dead in my life. This is also probably the first time I've been on a weekday, so that probably explains it, but yeah, never seen it this dead. Oh my God, there are people on the ride. Mystic River has people. This is the first time I'm seeing it with the walls down. Holy cow! Okay, I don't know if this is all the people gathering in line or what's going on here. Okay, I am in line for Mystic River Falls, but this line is huge right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get on it in time, but man, you should see this, it's packed. I'm gonna show you around. There's the line, it goes around the rock. Okay, so we are in the maybe line. So there's a maybe chance that we get on, maybe chance that we don't. Nerves are high. We'll see if we get on Mystic River Falls today or if I'm making a trip back tomorrow. But it's cool to see it testing. Everything looks beautiful here, and it's ridiculously cool. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, they're letting us in the queue. We are on our way to Mystic River Falls. Hopefully we get on this thing.
Please watch your step and sit on the furthest side of the boat.
All right, so after all of the construction updates, it's just so weird being the next in line for Mystic River Falls. I'm so excited. Wish me luck, guys. I got the rider cam on, so be ready.
With your mask while standing in line, please.
For your safety, all loose articles must be removed prior to boarding.
Here we go. Oh, this thing spins. Woo! Oh, shoot. Oh, shit! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Whoa. Oh my God. I was just about to say I haven't got wet. Oh, here we are, the elevator lift. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Get into some wild water. Remain seated. Hold on to the center.
Here we go, baby. Woohoo! Woo! Oh. That was a fun ride. These are the rides I love just because they give you a long experience. It's gonna be a hit. Okay, so I just rode Mystic River Falls for the first time. It's so surreal because I've been covering the construction for so long, and so to come here after been covering it for a whole year, longer than a year, from March of 2019, to come here and actually ride the ride that I've covered since then is just like, what a cool moment, you know? But the ride itself is fantastic. I think it's going to be a big hit. It might be their most popular ride in the park. Time Traveler is good, but this is going to satisfy a lot of people because it's not that super thrill seeker ride, but it still provides like a lot of thrill, if that makes sense. Like there's still, as you're going through the layout, you kind of hit the walls and stuff and you get that extra spin and these little jolts every now and then. They're not uncomfortable, but they're very thrilling. And then you have the whole elevator lift and the drop. The drop is fun. You know, it's not something that's too scary, and I think that's why this is going to be a hit. I think it's going to be something everyone can do. Everyone can get a throw on. You can get a little wet, you know. So, I mean, but overall, I can't believe that this has come full circle and that I've ridden Mystic River Falls. I probably could get in line and do it again, but I'm just so, you know, I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm just so happy. So, to celebrate, I got some pulled pork sandwich and mac and cheese. So, I'm going to sit here and just kind of watch Mystic River Falls, take it all in. It looks beautiful, and hopefully in this montage you'll get to see what I'm seeing. Okay, so that was my day here. I pretty much just got one ride on Mystic River Falls and then just kind of hung out, took some shots of the ride. Pretty fun ride. I'm just happy that I got on it. Like, that was just a big deal to finally get to ride it. It was definitely worth coming down here and getting the one ride on. Yeah, whew, look at all these people. I mean, the line has been long all day. And so what they've been doing with the soft opening is they let 50 people inside the actual queue, and then everybody waits outside of it. And then once they get to a certain spot, they let another 50 more in. And as you're in the line, they have people kind of walking through and telling you that it's not guaranteed that you're going to get a ride, but that they're going to try and get you on. And pretty much it all depends on if the ride's going smooth. As long as there's no glitches, no breakdowns per se, then they keep the ride moving, and they're able to move the ride pretty well. And so that's really nice to see. It's going to be it seems to be a high capacity ride. I don't have the stats on it, so somebody might jump on this one and be like, no, it's not. But you know, it looks high capacity. They're moving the boats through really quickly, and this is through testing, so that's pretty impressive. So I did it. I conquered Mystic River Falls, a year in the making. This ride just means so much to me because I just remember coming down here in March 2019 and doing the first construction update, and it was really that construction update that I was like, I want to do this for real. Like, I want to make videos consistently. And so yes, I had a YouTube channel before that, but March 2019 was when I started to really take this seriously and provide content. And it was really that video, that first construction update, that not only motivated me to do that, but you guys gave it so many views, and it took off. And so that really sparked me to say, hey, this could be something that I could do. It can be fun. And so Destination Thrills really became a thing after that. And then coming down here, I remember would pick a random Saturday and spend 4 hours driving down just to get 2 hours of construction footage, to then drive 4 hours back to St. Louis. And I thought it was crazy sometimes, and there were some times on the drive I was like, why am I doing this? But in the end, coming here now, it'd be full circle, it is like totally worth it. So I'm just happy that I've been able to get on the ride, and you know, just happy to be able to experience it for the first time. Anyway, that is going to do it for this vlog. I hope I'm not covering up the mic right now because I'm not going to redo that segment. I think I'm going to get some cinnamon bread and leave the park today. So if you haven't subscribed to Destination Thrills, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, as we do a lot of theme park news, content, construction updates, and a lot of Silver Dollar City stuff as well. So if you like Silver Dollar City stuff, make sure you subscribe. And thank you all for watching. You guys stay safe and have a good one.